The next one is going to be for Alan and myself. This one's called Sound Effects. And this one I'm going to give Alan the handheld microphone so we can make some sound effects. You can hear this one here. It's probably easier. You actually can turn that one on. And I need a suggestion. Actually, we've got one here, pre-written for us. Rachel from Sutton has suggested the scene of burying a body for me. And I'm going to try and bury the body, and Alan will make my sound effects. And the buzzer's there for you as well.
Sorry about that. Oh, jeez.
Daddy. Daddy. Under here. Down here. Hi. No. Daddy. Hi. See my hand?
Dude, I shot you and hit you with a shovel several times.
I know. Ow. Hurt. Ow. Ow. Owsies.
I don't think I want to play Buried Alive anymore.
No. Take me out. Take me out.
Pardon?
Take me out.
Take you out?
Yes, please. Out. Please.
I was trying...
Come closer.
Can I get a word in here? Hang on. Shut. 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 Shut.
Oh, okay.
You're supposed to be dead.
Okay, sorry.
Stay quiet. I'll bury you, and then you can, method act your way out. Okay.
Nighty-night.